Ever wondered how to make text looks like it's been written on the screen? If you wanna get text looks like it's been written on the screen, well, today I'll show you a super cool trick to do just that. It's easy to do and it's a really cool effect to your videos. So let's dive in and make your text pop. In the edit page, down in the toolbox, click titles. Grab the text plus and bring that into your timeline. Now when you select that in the upper right inspector, you can write any text that you want. Change the size of that text, and if you scroll down you will see a write on option. Place your playhead at the beginning of the text. Add a keyframe by clicking little diamond to the right of it and pull the right fader all the way back. Now move your playhead forward in your timeline, add another keyframe and slide that right fader all the way to the right. Now when you play your project, your text will write on screen. Alright, if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to channel. Turn the bell icon on to get updated once new video is uploaded in the future. Until next time, happy editing.